Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is going to be our exercise number 17. And here is our question, that is, you are given a dictionary containing the sales figure for a company organized by a department. Write a Python program to find the department with the highest sale and print the department name and its sales figure. So basically we have to use the dictionary. A dictionary is a data type we have in Python. So let's first discuss what is dictionary, and after that we'll solve this exercise. So a Python dictionary is a collection of key value pair. It is similar to a map or hash table in other programming languages, and each key in a dictionary is associated with a value, and you can use the key to access the corresponding value. And we can enclose the dictionary by curly braces, as you guys can see here, and values can be assigned and accessed using square braces. So let's see the syntax of dictionary, how we can assign dictionary. So here is my dictionary equal to, we have to use the curly braces, provide the key, colon, and you have to give the value to that key, comma, key 2, colon, value 2. So this is just a syntax of creating dictionary. So if you want to create an empty dictionary, so you can use this following syntax: my dictionary equal to curly braces. For creating empty list, we are using this square bracket or square braces, and in dictionary you have to use the curly braces. So let's solve our exercise. Okay, so I have already created this file, that is 17, like file number 17. Now let's create the dictionary. Sales, okay, I'm sorry, equal to, we'll use sales department, and we have to enclose it, the profit 14,000, okay, comma, let's say security department, the profit 12,000. We also have marketing department 5,000, network department, okay, it's just for the example, 8,000. So we have created our dictionary. So the sales department is our key and the 14,000 is our value. Okay, now let's find department with the highest sales. Highest sales equal to, and as usual we'll use the max function, sales and key equal to sales dot get. So we are accessing our keys with the help of this get method. Okay, this is a one way to access the key, and after that we have to use print. So we'll use highest sales plus, we'll use the colon, plus we'll use the string function, sales, sales, highest sales. Okay, let's say print the department name and its sales figure. Let's run the code. So as we know, the sales department has the highest sales. That is great. So this is just a basic program to check the highest sales of the department by using dictionary. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues. And yes, make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.